So Samajwadi Party government protects itself, protects the Congress leader, in this case Imran Masood, and puts all the blame, largely all the blame, on the BJP, and specifically the BJP MP, Mr. Lakhan Pal, who's been named there in that report, is also with us today. So we have an interesting panel. First of all, representing the Congress and the BJP are C.R. Kesavan and Siddharth Nath Singh. Representing the Samajwadi Party is the Gaurav Bhatia. Representing the BSP is Sudhindra Bhadoria. And we have two opposite sides tonight. We have Raghav Lakhan Pal, who's the Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha of the BJP. And we have the very controversial Imran Masood of the Congress Party. The man infamous, notorious for that boti comment in the run-up to the elections. Mr. Lakhan Pal, you've been named in the report. And the report is pretty clear. It blames you for instigating the riots. You were there on the 26th of July, were you not? The report says that you and your supporters roamed on the streets and instigated the people. It's an open debate on the News Hour tonight. I start with you on that charge. Mr. Lakhan Pal.
Mr. Goswami, I question the credibility of a report that was made by 5 people who belonged to the Samajwadi Party. They were leaders of the Samajwadi Party. They came to Saharanpur for 4 hours and they spent most of that time in the circuit house. They met with God knows who, but I know that they did not meet with the riot victims. And then they come up with a 4-page report. So how can we even talk about the credibility of such a report? Secondly, when a public representative knows that his constituency is burning and his people are constantly calling and saying, help us, save us, I think this is one of the duties of a member of parliament, of a public representative, to take care of his constituents. And that's exactly what I was doing. But what I want to know is, what was someone like Imran Masood doing with the prime accused in this entire episode, Mr. Muharram Ali Pappu? And I have this newspaper, a very leading daily. You said that, the starting of the program said that Imran Masood admitted to knowing Muharram Ali Pappu before the elections. This photograph shows Mr. Imran Masood with Muharram Ali Pappu. It was taken on the 10th of May. They went together to a village called Khurrampur, and this photograph was published later when the riots broke out, and it says, Pappu ke karnamo ka Imran Masood bhi razdar. So what we need to know is, what is the connection between Muharram Ali Pappu and Imran Masood? And what we need to know is, what is Muharram Ali Pappu doing with the Chief Minister here? And what we need to know is, what is Muharram Ali Pappu doing with the spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Mr. Rajendra Chaudhary, in this photograph? We need to ask all these questions. We need to talk about this list that mentions that Muharram Ali Pappu joined the Samajwadi Party with the Samajwadi Party candidate for the by-election of the Saharanpur Vidhan Sabha seat, and the list of people who joined with that particular candidate. On 5th number you can see it is Shri Muharram Ali Pappu, Purv Sabhasad, and it says Sanjay Garg ke saath cycle par sawar hua tha Pappu. So questions need to be asked to Mr. Imran Masood.
Mr. Imran Masood is on the program. He can answer you.
Party tonight, Mr.
No, 1 second. Imran Masood साहब, आप सुन रहे हैं? ये सारा एविडेंस ये इन्होंने दिखाया है टीवी पर अभी, सारे फोटो ये है, और ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट एलिगेशन है एक मिनट इमरान मसूद साहब कि आप कांग्रेस पार्टी के आप और जो अक्यूज्ड है मुहर्रम अली पप्पू, आप लोगों ने लोगों को कलेक्ट किया, उनको भड़काया, उनको इंस्टिगेट किया। वो कहते हैं कि आपको इस वक्त जेल में होना चाहिए और आपको नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एक्ट के तहत हजारों की संख्या में लोगों को कलेक्ट करके उनको उकसाने में कि वो लूट करे, लोगों की मर्डर करे, उस पे आप पर मुकदमा होना चाहिए। मगर आपको समाजवादी पार्टी ने छोड़ दिया क्योंकि वो कांग्रेस पार्टी के खिलाफ नहीं, सिर्फ बीजेपी के लखन पाल के खिलाफ केस करना चाहते हैं। तो आप अगर फैक्चुअली कुछ रिस्पॉन्स, क्या जो फोटोग्राफ्स दिखा रहे हैं क्या वो झूठ है? जो न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट्स लखन पाल जी ने दिखाए, आपको चैलेंज किया अभी, क्या वो गलत है इमरान मसूद जी?
नहीं, देखिए राघव जी ये जो बात दिखा रहे हैं, मैंने ये बात किसी दिन नहीं कही, और अगर राघव जी ये बात कहें कि राघव जी मुहर्रम अली पप्पू को नहीं जानते, तो मैं समझता हूं इससे बड़ी झूठ कोई बात नहीं हो सकती। वो 3
मैं मुहर्रम अली पप्पू के साथ एक गाड़ी में सवार होकर गांव का भ्रमण नहीं करता हूं। मैं मुहर्रम अली पप्पू के साथ कार्यक्रमों में नहीं जाता हूं। मैं मुहर्रम अली पप्पू के साथ दंगे नहीं भड़काता हूं, लोगों को इकट्ठा नहीं करता हूं हजारों की संख्या में, और फिर वहां से भाग नहीं जाता हूं।
अगर आप चुप होंगे तो मैं बोल पाऊंगा। पहले आप चुप तो हो जाइए।
आपके कहे से कोई चुप नहीं होने वाला। आपके कहे से अगर दंगई चुप हो गए होते और रुक गए होते तब हम आपकी बात सुनते, लेकिन आज आपको जवाब देना है। आपको बताना है लोगों को कि आपने क्यों नहीं रोका उन दंगइयों को, क्यों आपने पहले उनको इकट्ठा किया, फिर आपने उनको भड़काया, और फिर आप क्यों नहीं उन्हें रोक पाए। और जब उन्होंने लूट और आगजनी मचाई तो आप कहां थे उस समय? हाँ, मैं लोगों के बीच में उनको बचाने का काम कर रहा था, लेकिन आप कहां थे उस समय? मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं, जनता जानना चाहती है आपसे कि आप कहां थे। और मैं समाजवादी पार्टी के लोगों से भी पूछना चाहता हूं कि उनके जो नेता वहां उपस्थित थे, जो इमरान मसूद के साथ खड़े थे, वो कहां गए जब दंगा भड़का? उन्होंने क्यों नहीं रोकने की कोशिश करी लोगों को? क्यों वो अपने अपने घरों में जाकर अपने बिलों में घुस गए? और आज हमारा नाम लिया जाता है इसमें। ये सरासर गलत।
आप बिल्कुल गलत बोल रहे हो, और जो मैं वहां कर रहा था उसकी पूरी वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है। आप गलत बात कर रहे हो।
आप किस वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे? इमरान मसूद जी, एक मिनट।
रिकॉर्डिंग है,
आप कौन से वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे? आपने तो इमरान मसूद
जानती है सच्चाई को।
जो तथ्य आपके सामने रखे गए,
राघव जी,
नहीं, एक मिनट इमरान मसूद जी, जरा हमारी बात सुन लीजिए। आप वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग की बात ना करें तो बेहतर है। तथ्य आपके सामने थे, एक वीडियो में आपको भी देखा गया था। उस वक्त पता नहीं आप किस स्थिति में थे जब आप बोटी बोटी किसी को काटने की बात कर रहे थे। आज तक आपने ये नहीं माना कि वो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग में एक सच्चाई है। तो आप जरा वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग की बात ना करें, क्योंकि ये जो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग मार्च में दिखाई गई इलेक्शन के पहले, उस पर तो आपको शर्म नहीं आया, उस पर तो आपने कुछ नहीं कहा, उस वीडियो को तो आपने माना नहीं कि आपने इस तरह की बातें कही थी। आपसे मैं फिर पूछना चाहता हूं, आप प्लीज हमें बताइए, आप प्लीज हमें बताइए कि आपको समाजवादी पार्टी सरकार ने क्यों बचाया?
ये हमेशा इलेक्शनों के पास ऐसा करते हैं, इलेक्शनों के टाइम पे ऐसा ही करते हैं ये।
अर्नब जी, सबसे पहले तो ये जो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है, मैं इसके लिए सब चैनल्स के ऊपर माफी मांग चुका हूं, और आपके सामने भी कह रहा हूं कि अब इस एपिसोड को खत्म कर दीजिए।
क्यों खत्म करें?
किसी से कोई गलती हुई है,
किससे
अगर आज दंगों के लिए माफी मत मांगना, क्योंकि कोई आपको माफ करने वाला नहीं है। आज दंगों के लिए माफी मत मांगेगा यहाँ पे।
आप मत बोलिए,
मत माफी मांगना, क्योंकि आपने इस शहर को जो दिया है, जो आपने लोगों के मर्डर करवाए हैं, आपने लोगों को लुटवाया है, और आपने लोगों की दुकानों में आग लगवाई है, खुद जाकर अपने घर में बैठ गए हैं। आज आपको कोई माफी देने वाला नहीं है, और आज आपके सवालों का कोई जवाब नहीं देने वाला है। आज आपको जवाब देना पड़ेगा इमरान मसूद। आज जनता के सामने आपको जवाब देना पड़ेगा।
राघव जी, मैंने पहले दिन से कहा
आपकी राजनीति इसी पर केंद्रित रही है। चाहे लोकसभा का चुनाव हुआ तब आपने जो शब्द कहे हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी के लिए, और अब जब विधानसभा का उपचुनाव आ रहा है तो आपने इस प्रकार की घटना को अंजाम दिया। सब जानते हैं आपके राजनीतिक
आपको जल्दी है चुनाव की, आपको जल्दी है चुनाव की, आपको जल्दी है चुनाव की।
क्वेश्चन टू गौरव भाटिया, सिद्धार्थ नाथ सिंह।
I am not going to respond to someone like Imran Masood. Imran Masood should be behind bars right now. I don't need to talk to or reply to Imran Masood's queries and questions.
No, one second. 1 minute, please. The questions are absolutely clear. Siddharth and Mr. Kesavan and Gaurav Bhatia and Mr. Bhadoria can now come into the debate. My first question here is, what is the objectivity of this panel? Mr. Kesavan and Siddharth, the panel is headed by the PWD minister, comprises the technical education minister, minister for rural development, state minister, district magistrate. Panel full of the Samajwadi party government ministers and officials will blame anybody apart from the BJP in a report pertaining to communal violence. Elementary stuff, Gaurav Bhatia. Elementary.
Arnab, do give me a chance to come in and make my point.
Yeah, but let the world know today about how you are protecting Imran Masood. It's so self-evident.
That's not correct. Can
It's
I
so
come in and
self-evident.
respond to your question, please?
Please go ahead.
Then allow me now. Okay, now first I will come to the allegations made by Mr. Raghav, and he said that Muharram Ali Pappu was seen in a picture with the Chief Minister. Let me just tell him that when this news surfaced, it was a very old picture, and a clarification was issued by the Chief Minister.
Raghav, on the 1st of April 2014.
First of
Can I now
April, I have
respond?
facts, Mr. Bhatia.
Can I now respond?
1st of April 2000.
I don't have a television set in front of me, but if it is Raghav interrupting me, I would
It
just
is
request
Raghav.
you, Raghav, to allow me to make my point. Please.
Yeah, sure,
So,
go ahead.
very importantly, I want to first of all point out that clarification was issued by the Chief Minister's office. He was there with a delegation concerning a dialogue with some other subject. There was no joining of Mr. Pappu. And secondly, even assuming that what you are saying is true, if you are saying so, then still what action has been taken should be important. And let me tell you,
Arnab, this
80 FIRs have been
delegation
registered
has
against
two ministers.
Mr. Pappu.
This delegation
I think
has two ministers.
Arnab-
Can I just
Arnab-
respond?
Samajwadi
Arnab, I think
Hi,
you will
one
have to
second,
regulate
gentlemen.
the debate. If it has to be a shouting match, even I can shout very loud, and the BJP will not be able to
Pappu
speak.
is one of
if
them.
I'm making
What
my
was
point,
this
at least
delegation
have the
talking,
courtesy
meeting with the Chief
to wait
Minister
for your
about?
turn.
These are all senior Samajwadi
Can
Party
you-
leaders who met with Akhilesh Yadav.
I am telling
and there are
you
two
what
ministers
action has
who
been
belong to
taken against,
Saharanpur in this delegation.
Mr. Pappu.
So don't tell
Are
us
you
that you went to
interested in
ask for
hearing
roll
that?
No, Gaurav, Gaurav, a simple
Tell us
and-
what the agenda was.
Simple question. I don't think you can have an answer to that. Gaurav, you can't have double standards.
Act has been invoked against him.
You can't
He
have
has
double
not liked the
standards,
BJP
Gaurav.
Government.
Gaurav, you
That
can't
is
have double
no action
standards.
against Mr. Ashok
Mr.
Singhal.
Gaurav Bhatia,
That
you
means
can't
silence
have
against
double
Mr. Bhagwat.
standards. You can't
That
have double
means silence
standards,
against
Mr. Bhatia.
Togadia.
Yes,
We are not like the BJP government.
Sir, listen.
Okay, if you want to hear that, let us first judge by the action
I think-
taken by
I
the
think
state
Siddharth
government.
wants to
And
come
that
into
is
the debate. I
proof
let him. I
that
wanted to
state
make a point, but
government
after
has
think
Siddharth.
Gaurav-
in a fair
Siddharth.
manner.
I think Gaurav,
Siddharth.
let's make the debate a little more serious. Let's make the
think
debate
if
more
you would
serious.
not interrupt
Firstly,
and the
you
other
have
panelists would not
constituted
interrupt,
a
the debate would
Samajwadi
definitely
Party
be
committee
serious.
to investigate.
But then there will
The
be
5 top
interjection
members are
without
all
allowing me to
Samajwadi
speak.
Party
I don't
members,
think we will get
including
anything
2
fruitful
workers.
out of
Please,
the debate.
Gaurav, let's go on to the debate in a nice and a decent
No, let me
fashion.
make my point and
The
then you
question
come
is
in.
being
Because
raised.
I have
This is a
been-
report
Mr. Raghav
submitted by
Lakhanpal
a
from your
Samajwadi Party
made certain
leaders.
statements.
There
I
is
want
no
to face the
investigation
facts.
in it.
Can you deny me of
You
that
have missed, and there are a number of loopholes in this. You have,
let me
please,
tell you
please.
this.
We
I
all
wanted
know
to
that
point
Mr.
out
Pappu
about
is the prime
action
accused.
taken by the state government.
There is enough
That is
evidence
of
to
utmost
corroborate
importance.
Gaurav,
that
let
he
him speak.
has a hand in glove.
Raghav
He has been
Lakhanpal
friendly
has
to
nothing to be afraid
Imran
of.
Masood.
If
He
does
has
not
known your
take law in
party
his own
leaders
hands,
quite well.
this is
So
a
you have
fact-finding committee
completely
that has
gone
submitted a
silent
report to
on
the
that
Chief Minister.
report.
The
On
Chief
that
Minister
report.
has taken
So it's an
cognizance of it,
effort
will
not
take
to have a
appropriate action
proper
if required.
investigation
Why is the
conducted
BJP so
through a High
scared
Court
of,
monitor
the
SIT.
report?
You
And this was
constituted
something
you
to hide.
constituted your own party leaders to prepare a report
So what?
and submit it. So
It
there
was
there is
a delegation.
there is a
And
political, it's a
3
sham,
weeks after-
it's a
3 weeks
political
after-
conspiracy
people from
just
all-
before the
A question to the Congress party at this stage.
The fact of the matter
A question.
is,
No, 1 second.
your people
BJP
who have
Gaurav,
created this.
Gaurav, a question. 1 minute, please, gentlemen. 1 minute. A simple question goes to the Congress party at this stage. And I strongly suspect today that one of the reasons why C.R. Kesavan is quiet is because he has realized the shallowness of the argument and how thin the ice of his own logic is in this case. Mr. Kesavan, answer the question. Do you buy the findings of this panel A, which has spared Imran Masood? Be honest. Don't carry your bias towards Imran Masood. No, 1 minute, please.
I want to correct you there.
Sir, let me please.
Imran Masood has not been spared for the reason
Why
that
are you
the
protect-
state government has registered an FIR against him.
Sir, has
Please
he been named in
understand
the
that.
report? Has he been named in the report?
Why not mention
No,
in the
because-
report?
because
Why have you made- why have you not named him in the
Why
report?
don't you bring the report in the
Not
public?
every-
Sir, I have a copy of the
Why
report.
should
Do
we
you?
just
Have you
report
named him in the report?
This is a media
An
report.
FIR has been registered against
Now,
Imran
Arnab,
Masood. FIR has
just
been
understand
registered.
this distinction.
Forget about the FIR.
Mr.
Where is the
Raghav
report?
Lakhanpal does not face any criminal case as of now. There was an additional fact that was mentioned in the report. But as for Imran Masood, a FIR has been registered. And that is why his name has not been mentioned in the report.
Okay, now 1 second. Please let me ask the Congress party a question here, please. Please remember this, Mr. Kesavan. When the Gujarat government holds an internal inquiry, right, when Modi was chief minister, you rubbish it. Today, these findings serve your narrative and you latch on to it. Come on, Mr. Kesavan, don't prevaricate.
Let me answer your question.
Don't
first,
prevaricate.
Arnab. You told.
Don't prevaricate on
I
that.
didn't even start speaking. There's no question
Yes.
of prevaricating or hoodwinking people. First thing is.
I didn't say hoodwinking. Maybe you want to hoodwink them.
No. I'm telling you now. I'm very surprised, as you said, because we didn't expect another Congress panelist to be here. So that was completely taken us by surprise, and we checked up with the party office, and they were very surprised too.
With
that
what?
We had another panel. So I think we should play straight.
No,
and be clear who
no,
the
one second.
panel was.
Are you embarrassed to be on it? Is Imran Masood not a member of the
Not at
Congress
all.
party?
No,
Is Imran
he said
Masood
there's
not a
only
member of the
one
Congress party?
person.
What can I do if you're embarrassed about
it? You're double playing here because
Why
you said
double
there's
playing?
only
He's
one
a member of the
person from
Congress.
party
Do you want to
represent.
double play?
No. There's only one person from the party.
Raghav and
Let's
Anshul
If
take
you're
it.
embarrassed
what
about
is
it,
double
you
play in
are the
this?
party.
Let's
Yes,
come back to the issue.
Siddharth wants to say
We
something.
talked about the report. The report says two things. The first thing is,
Well,
the BJP.
Keshav, Raghav is there from BJP, I am there from BJP, and we are not worried
Let me complete,
because we
please.
don't
Let me
support
complete,
sham
sir.
reports.
Let me complete. So first point is this. You asked about the report. The first thing is this. The BJP had also sent its own 6 people, and please remember they had Suresh Rana on the probe panel of the BJP with his antecedents, and we'll know what kind of report they would have submitted. As far as the SP report, I mean the Uttar Pradesh government report, as it's called. Let me say this.
Keshav.
Can I complete, please? Let's have the courtesy. Besides naming the BJP member of parliament who's here, they've also faulted the SP government for its laxity of administration, which is also very
I don't think you've read the report.
saying that the
I don't
SP
think you've read the
administration
report.
is at fault.
I don't think you've read the report.
Let me say one thing.
No, you've
Hold
not
him,
read the
hold
report.
him, Arnab.
No, you've
Let
not
me
read the
counter it.
report.
Hold him here. Hold him here.
It
Hold
says
on.
administrative
Hold on,
officials
Mr.
being
Kesavan.
lax.
Hold on,
Please
Mr.
let me
Kesavan.
complete.
Hold on,
Mr.
Keshav.
You have to make, let me make
Hold
my
on,
point.
Mr. Kesavan. The
This is
report has
we read.
blamed the additional
let me
district
complete.
magistrate and the additional SP of Saharanpur. Everybody in the world knows the buck does not stop with them. You want to make some officers the scapegoats?
SP government and the Home Minister and the Chief Minister and the Home Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Let's be clear. The SP government, whether it's Muzaffarnagar,
Arnab, let us understand.
has been inept, incapable. Please let us have a say. You can't shout us
Arnab,
down.
let us understand
Let me
when they
speak.
say the report
Let
is
me
saying the
speak.
local
The SP
administration
government has been inept,
could not do anything,
inefficient,
they were sleeping.
incapable, incompetent.
Then let's
The
understand
SP government
in
has
UP,
given
the
a
UP
report
police will not take any step unless until there is a clearance from Lucknow.
And play the politics of communal
So
tension
both
and
the
also
Lucknow
balkanize
and
and
the
polarize
local
people.
police work
And the
in
BJP
tandem
party has
on
taken
these sensitive
advantage of
matters,
this
and the
atmosphere
Lucknow-
provided by the SP government.
Lucknow-
So one at a time, please.
The Prime Minister,
One at a time, please.
the Prime Minister,
Siddharth, 1 minute.
Prime Minister spoke about a 10-year
Siddharth.
moratorium. The Prime Minister
Siddharth.
spoke about a 10-year moratorium.
Siddharth, 1 minute. Siddharth, don't blindfold. Siddharth, a minute, please. No, 1 second. Mr. Kesavan and Gaurav
BJP
Bhatia.
has broken the moratorium.
Mr. Kesavan.
No, let me.
Mr. Kesavan,
let me complete,
please.
Sir, you're not letting me.
Mr.
Let me
Kesavan, you
complete my
know, you
point
can
and then
say
let
something
the
with
others have
force,
to
but
say.
there is a problem here.
I just want to say this. What the BJP says doesn't square off with his actions. This charade is not going to work. The BJP is running with the hares and hunting with the hounds. If suppose they listen to the Prime Minister's words, which we take it as it is, then this would not have happened, and statements wouldn't come out like this, actions wouldn't come out like this.
Mr.
If the Prime
Kesavan,
Minister is not able to
Mr.
rein in, let the
Kesavan,
BJP government say they're helpless.
Mr. Kesavan, when it is apparent, please be clear. And I don't take this that anybody is playing strange with you. There are 2 BJP representatives and there are 2 Congress representatives. I can't help it if Siddharth is not embarrassed to be with Lakhanpal, but you are embarrassed to be with Imran Masood. That's not my problem, that's
before
yours.
we come on stage. It's every time we come on your show, we know who the panelists are. This time we were blindsided. You
No,
need
what's
to tell
wrong?
us
So you're
who's on the
embarrassed to be
panel.
on-
That's how you work. No, that's how you work. It's not embarrassment. It's just
Mr.
taking us
Kesavan,
by surprise.
are you embarrassed to be on air with Imran Masood? So 1 second, don't go away. Don't go away from the issue. The issue is very simple. And you need to understand this, Mr. Kesavan, and Sudhindra Bhadodia has the right to come in. I think it is nothing short of absolute political opportunism that you criticize the SP for instigating riots but are remarkably silent on the role of the state administration. When there was prima facie evidence of the role of BJP leaders in instigating, then we went hammer and tongs, and we here at times now ask those questions in Moradabad. I am asking you today, why does Mr. Kharge have his tongue tied? He's the leader of the opposition. He can't even say one word properly in the floor of parliament about the role of the state administration.
Oh, please.
Then Mr. Kesavan, don't say, oh please. Then it is selective outrage. How on earth did the state government in charge get an easy pass from you despite presiding over 605 incidents of communal violence between May 16? 605 incidents. You don't want to hear a word against Mullah.
BJP have taken advantage.
Sudhindra Badoria, it's clear to me Mr. Kesavan does not want to hear anything against Akhilesh. Sudhindra Badoria wants to come in. Yes, Sudhindra.
You see,
Mr. Badoria.
You see, let us understand that this whole report is a political sham by politicians. This report has been prepared and Behan Mayawati ji has rightly called it a sham report because the reason that it is this government, if you see that not only in Saharanpur, go back to Muzaffarnagar, go to Muradabad, go to Pratapgarh, go to any of the, it is this very government which is hand in glove with the same communal forces which is trying to communally divide the people of Uttar Pradesh, and that is why in history a riot took place in Muzaffarnagar where over lakh people were rendered homeless, and subsequently we saw all these people in Safai Mahotsav. They have nothing to do with the people of UP. They just want to live and breed on communal divide and on the agony of the people of Uttar Pradesh, and therefore a committee was constituted of Samajwadi ministers. This report is a sham, and they cannot walk away from the responsibility. They should own the responsibility and quit the government. The Samajwadi government has no right to continue. They have failed the people of Uttar Pradesh.
You have a history, Sir Gaurav Bhatia. You have a history.
We also have to discuss...
Mr. Lakhan Pal before Gaurav Bhatia. Yes, Gaurav. Mr. Lakhan Pal.
Yeah, on the 16th of August, the by-elections for the Saharanpur Vidhan Sabha seat were declared by the Election Commission. And then on the 17th of August, this committee report is released. I seriously wonder, I mean, isn't there a political conspiracy behind this? Don't we smell something bad emanating from this? Don't we see that the Samajwadi Party is trying to polarize the votes of one particular community in the upcoming elections, which are due barely 3 weeks or 4 weeks from now? And that is the agenda of the Samajwadi Party, and that's why they constituted this committee, and they told the committee members to release their prejudiced and biased report on the 17th of August so as to effect some sort of a communal polarization and so as to be able to get some sort of sympathy from a particular community of voters. That is the political agenda of the Samajwadi Party.
Gaurav, simple. Please look at the facts, because if you're going to be blind about communal violence, you can be flagrantly blind, openly blind. Let me complete, please, Gaurav, then you can answer. You can be flagrantly blind, openly blind. You can say, you know what, I don't care what the country thinks. I am simply going to be prejudiced and blind. My question to you, Gaurav, is this. Gaurav, please listen. The SSP of Saharanpur has said that an armed mob came to the Gurudwara and started pelting stones. Has your party's government even bothered to look into who this mob was supported by and what their sources of ammunition were? You know how serious this is?
Let me make a few points.
Sir, answer the question. You only want to make points. You want to answer no question.
Yes, I am answering your question. Now, this mob consisted of a lot of unidentified individuals.
This is amazing.
Who have been
They were all Samajwadi and Congress party workers.
Now see, if I have interruptions, Arnab, I think you are being unfair.
No, but how do you get away by saying unidentified? How do you get away by saying unidentified? It just doesn't add up.
Did you allow me to complete my sentence? I want to tell you there have been 62 arrests of these unidentified persons later who have been arrested. And I wanted to tell you that if Mr. Raghav Lakhanpal was not named in the FIR earlier, that shows that the proceedings by the state government were not biased. And now please hear me out. Can you hear me out? If you
I was not named because I was not promoting the riots. I wasn't enticing the rioters.
And my second question to the Samajwadi Party, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. My second question to the Samajwadi Party is this.
3 weeks after the riot.
My second question to the Samajwadi Party is this, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, question is this.
On the day of the rioting, why was the fire station burnt down?
having this discussion.
And why wasn't the
If you
Samajwadi
want
Party
your
office on the first
discussion
floor burnt down?
to be a
Why was
shouting match,
the Samajwadi
it's another
Party
thing.
office left alone?
Come on,
And why
Arnab.
was the fire
What
station
kind of a
ground
discussion
floor
are
burnt
we
down?
having?
Does that
You
show
can't
that
allow
the
me to
Samajwadi
speak.
Party
Sir,
workers
Raghav
were also
Lakhanpal
part
is
of the
questioning
rioters?
you. What's wrong,
And were
Mr.
they- were they
Mr.
on the
Bhatia?
burning street?
Mr. Bhatia, Mr. Bhatia, when Narendra
What
Modi,
kind of a discussion
Mr.
is
Bhatia,
this, Arnab?
CR
You
Kesavan
ask me a
question to
question,
you.
you don't allow
CR
me to speak.
Kesavan,
What kind of a discussion
Why
is
don't
this,
you
Mr.
give me time
Bhatia?
to speak?
CR Kesavan, my last
Why
question
don't
is to
you
you.
allow
When
me to
Narendra
speak,
Modi
Arnab?
was sharing the stage with the Muzaffarnagar riot accused, you brought the roof down saying the BJP was a communal organization and you had every right to do that, and media, including Times Now, asked those questions. But today, Mr. Kesavan, keep your consistency. When Akhilesh has been spotted with riot accused Pappu, you said nothing about
I already
it.
told you a clarification.
That's why I don't buy your clarification.
A number of people meet the CM. That does not mean anything.
By other people.
Mr. Kesavan, please
I
reply.
want some group and he met the CM. What does it show?
This gentleman
What kind of allegations are you making?
Yes, Mr. Kesavan. Well, I'm asking straight questions. In
There's no
upset.
point in debating
Why do
here.
you have to bring in
Mr.
the CM
Kesavan,
today?
Kindly
Mr.
mediate the
Kesavan,
debate.
Mr. Kesavan, question is very simple. I don't know why you're getting
Please
upset.
mediate the debate. I am telling you very clearly the
Why
SP
you have
is
to ignore it,
responsible for creating this atmosphere where the BJP has taken advantage of this looking at the by-elections. The government is inept, inefficient, incapable, incompetent,
Keswan,
and they have facilitated this atmosphere.
who have been
And the BJP has
responsible for
stopped
the
communal
Muzaffarnagar
tension. Let me
riots.
complete.
Are you not aware of
Let
that?
me complete.
No, I
Mr.
think,
Narendra Modi
before you
never even
complete,
opened
you
his
make
mouth in
allegations
Muzaffarnagar
against the
riots.
party. I will definitely interrupt and tell you that you are wrong. Because your
You
own
have to let other people speak.
was also charged.
You have to let other people speak, Gaurav Bhattaji. You people let Muzaffarnagar riots happen and you are having a gala time in Safa in a hostel. You people, when the rehabilitation work happened, when the refugees were in cold winter, you were in Safa in a hostel. Is that sensitivity?
You are making
Is that sensitivity on the part of the SP government? Please answer that.
Well, you know, there's something that doesn't add up about the report. I genuinely request Gaurav Bhatia to look back at the report and ask yourself how conveniently you are not looking at one side of it. Look at the issue in entirety. I thank you very much. The report is out. The probe is out only on Times Now. There are many questions about it. Is Akhilesh blind to reality? You can tell us what you think. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.